Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Did a clutch update and an egg cutting today. I was going to do an egg cutting on this clutch update, but they came out before I could get to them. They came out like early, 3 or 4 days early actually. So, give you an update on them, with what they are, and then we'll move on to the egg cutting. So, first, you got either a pastel, maybe super pastel. I don't think so, but possibly. Yellow belly or spark. Female. This one is, she's had her third meal. She's doing great, eats great. Should be ready really soon to find a new home. That's her. She got some pretty colors. You see the, she's pretty. Next, the only male of the group. I believe to be a pastel, banana, yellow belly or spark. He's gorgeous. I love bananas. Love them. Pretty, pretty. And the last one, the keeper, I hold back just because I want to keep spark, or for sure spark. And I've never made one, and I kind of like it. I believe it is a Puma. Possible super spark, not 100%. Either way, female, she's pretty. Got that nice stripe going down the dorsal. My first ever Puma made. So there's those. Let me get them put back up, and we'll get into the egg cutting. Now, this pairing for these eggs was a Jigsaw Blast, it's a Mojave Pinstripe Pastel, to a Firefly GHI, so Fire Pastel GHI. These also have gotten ahead of themselves. One of them is already out of the egg. A bunch of them are pipping. Look at that though. I might have to wait till they shed out to be 100% sure on what they are. Squirmy is what this one is. But I believe it's for sure at least a Jigsaw. Maybe a GHI Jigsaw just because of the darkness. Potentially. Let me adjust this down so we can see better. And that's about as good as I'm going to be able to get it. That'll do, I suppose. I'm going to put this one over here. Maybe if I can get to it. Put that one over there. Give you a little better look at that one now. I'm thinking of GHI Jigsaw. Potentially. Get my brand new fancy scissors out. I bought just for cutting eggs. Oh, bam! Yeah, I know. They're really just a novelty scissor, but I thought they were neat. I said, let's do that. So, we get some paper towels going here. Move this out of the way. All right. Let's start with this one. This is about already out. I'm gonna open it up a little bit more so we can see, get a little better look at it. That one is impressive. You see that? That is some purple. If I'm not mistaken, which I could be, it's been known to happen. I've been wrong before. But that might be an all-gene. A Firefly, Jigsaw, GHI. I won't swear to it, but man, the colors on that thing is unreal. Purple. Man. Continuing on, getting these straws out of the way. Don't need to worry about eggs rolling anymore. I have no idea. It's hard to tell what that is. Certainly interesting. I'm gonna it's gotta be a super pastel fire, just judging by the lightness. But again, I can't hardly tell. Hard to make that call on that one. Pretty though, either way. That one I believe is looking like Jigsaw, Mojave pinstripe, possibly pastel. Either way, pretty one, pretty. This clutch has got all kinds of possibilities. That one's already starting to pip good. Let's see if we can get in there. Let me get my little scissors out for this one. You definitely got my hobby in it. And either pastel fire or both. I'm not sure, but another pretty one anyway. Man. That's 5 out of the 7 eggs. So far we're getting some really pretty stuff here. We got another one similar to this one. Hard to tell though exactly what's going on in there. Judged by what little pattern I can see, there's definitely GHI going on. Gotta be some pastel fire, maybe some pastel fire. Now, for the last one, last egg with this clutch. I was really hoping to hit just because I love them, just a GHI Mojave. Just straight up, just a 2 gene. I've been fine with it. But I'm not gonna complain about what we've got so far. This one's still pretty plump. Little scissors. Good and goopy. And another Mojave. Probably Pastel Mojave. But there you go. 7 eggs, no normals, so that's always a plus. And plenty of goop on the old cutting table. And one that's already completely out. All in all, it's a successful clutch. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. There'll be a lot more egg cuttings this year than there was last year. I got 5 more clutches in the incubator with a whole bunch of girls behind me that are Had a couple ovulations at more, and we got some building. So stay tuned and keep an eye out, and we'll do this as many times as we can this year. Thanks for watching.